Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, like Chrome. Then access background apps. In order to do that with tricky navigation, select this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of an app located at the top left corner and select split screen. Then pick any other app. In my case, YouTube. So when I do that, as you can see, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!